Hi there, my name is Audrey and I'm a product manager here at ButterflyMX. Today, I'm going to show you how Front Desk Station now supports multiple properties in one installation, a top request from portfolio customers. Up here on the upper left is the new property switcher. From here, I can instantly access any building where I have admin permissions. No separate logins needed. See here that I have 3 different buildings. Now that I've switched to another building, you can see that the information is populated pretty quickly and you have all of the information related to this building in view. One of the best things about this multi-property capability is that no matter what building you're on, you can still answer calls for all of the other buildings you have access to. Currently, I'm on the ButterflyMX demo building, as you can see in the dropdown, but I can receive calls from one of the other buildings I have access to, for instance, my Audrey test building. I'm going to call from the intercom, and we'll see that call come in right here. If we click accept for the call, we can see that we have the option to hang up, unlock, or put the call on hold. You can also switch to the building that the call is coming from. I'm going to go ahead and unlock, and then hang up, and then switch to that other building. And now that we're on this building, we can easily navigate and continue anything we want to do here. In real life, I could help someone in person at building A while taking a call from building B, all from one workstation. I could even work off-site in a centralized location and manage several properties in my portfolio. The key benefits here overall is that you can use one system to manage your entire portfolio. This reduces staffing with remote support capabilities. We've also kept the same familiar interface, so there is no learning curve. There's also no technical limits on the number of properties. Overall, this new capability transforms our Front Desk Station product into a true portfolio management tool.